Hi, in this video we are going to see the permanent as well as the contract based teaching and the non-teaching vacancies from one of the university guys. And really it will be the wonderful opportunity if you once got the job here. So why? Because here the different designations we are going to see, and you are going to get the pay scale also if you once selected here. And the different designations are professor, associate, assistant, the guest as well as the contractual and adjunct faculty post are there. And apart from this one, you are also having the huge number of non-teaching vacancies are also there here. So really it will be a wonderful and mega recruitment guys, and the total 37 subjects are there. That means the recruitment is announced from the 37 subjects. So with only post graduation here, the salary is 78,800 rupees per month. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the teaching as well as a non-teaching vacancies notification in this pandemic situation in the university. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Dayalbagh Educational Institute deemed to be university from Agra. So here the teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies are there guys. So it will be the wonderful opportunity. So applications are invited from well qualified Indian nationals and overseas citizens for faculty positions at the level of professor, associate and assistant professor, contractual post, guest faculty as well as adjunct faculty in its various departments. Okay, and the department or programs you may check down: drawing and painting, English, Hindi, home science, music, Sanskrit, accountancy and law, applied business economics, foundation of education, pedagogical sciences, agricultural engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical, civil, footwear technology, botany, chemistry, physics and computer science, mathematics, zoology, economics, management, psychology, sociology and political science, and the School of Architecture. So coming to the BVOC programs, that is Bachelor of Vocation, dairy technology, renewable energy, automobile, textile design, commercial arts, pottery and ceramic design, telematics, digital manufacturing, robotics and artificial intelligence, greenhouse technology, tourism and hospitality, management, banking and finance, Internet of Things, telecommunication, food processing and preservation, water sanitation and waste management, agriculture technology, accounting and taxation, apparel design, manufacturing, bamboo and wood technology, and recycling and wood craft design. So from these huge departments here, the vacancies are there. So utilize this opportunity guys. And while coming to the qualification, minimum qualification for the appointment of professor, associate and assistant professor or equivalent post shall be governed by UGC regulations on minimum qualification for appointment of teachers and other academic staff or NCTE norms in universities and colleges. Fine. So coming to the rationalized entry pay and the academic level is given here. So for the professor it is 1,44,200 rupees per month plus allowance also available. And for associate professor it is 1,31,400 rupees per month plus allowance. And for assistant professor level 10, 57,700 per month plus allowances. And guest faculty 1,500 rupees per lecture, that is maximum up to 50,000 rupees per month. And the contractual based post, entry level pay of the respective post in teaching hierarchy, and the adjunct faculty are going to get maximum 80,000 rupees per month. Actually, it is a rolling advertisement guys, applicable to professor, associate and assistant professor, contractual guest faculty, adjunct and all teaching and non-teaching posts, which will remain valid up to 31st 12 2021. Okay, so up to here you may apply guys. As and when sufficient number of applicants are received, the interview shall be held. The notification for the same shall be available on the institute website, and the institute shall update the vacancy positions periodically. So it is official website guys, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you may check down. And coming to the for the teaching and non-teaching positions, here the last date for submission of application forms are 31st December 2021. Okay, and the preferred specializations are given here as per the each and every individual subject. The preferred specializations are also mentioned, so you kindly check out all these specializations guys. And coming to the pay scales, minimum qualification, experience, reservation, etc. For the intermediate colleges, lecturer it is a level 8, English 1, Hindi 1, For this one, the master's degree in relevant subject is required. B.Ed is desirable, not the essential one. And coming to the assistant teacher, level 7, biology and chemistry 1. Okay, as per the caste category, also here the number of vacancies are given, so you may check down. And coming to the REI intermediate college, the principal, and coming to the lecturer L8, okay, and assistant teacher level 7. And for DEI technical college, so here for the principal, the qualifications are mentioned. And the workshop superintendent, master degree in relevant engineering discipline, or else a bachelor degree in the relevant engineering discipline with at least 2 years of professional experience. And coming to the non-teaching post, so here you may check down the different non-teaching post, the designations as well as the number of vacancies are mentioned here in this table. So for non-teaching posts in engineering areas and DA technical college, only male applicants can apply at present. And for teaching and non-teaching post in DA PV girls intermediate college, only female candidates can apply at present. Right? And here the application cost is also given here. Okay, 125 rupees, and for non-teaching 60 rupees for the general category. And for this ST, ST and SC, ST and OBC, application fee is given there. And it is a rolling advertisement. You may apply up to 31st December 2021. And qualifications for the non-teaching posts are given here. So training and placement officer, it is a level 12 category. That means you will get nearly 78,800 per month. And the master's degree in management with at least 55% of marks. Okay, apart from this one, 5 years experience in the relevant field and the knowledge of computer applications is required. Coming to the system manager, it is a level 12. So ME or MTech in computer science and engineering, or else information technology with 5 years, or else a first class BE or BTech with some relevant experience must be required. And coming to the system engineer level 11, so first class ME or MTech, or else first class BE or BTech with 2 years MTech and with 5 years of relevant experience with graduation. And coming to assistant registrar level 10, master degree with at least 55% of marks or an equivalent grade. And coming to the programmer level 10, so first class in post graduation, okay, and demonstrator is also given. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video, guys. So there's so many jobs are there and so many eligibility conditions are also there here. Okay, so you may check down. But anyhow, here it will be the lot of opportunities are there, guys. So for the graduation or else the post graduation. Okay, so for all these candidates for the PhD, so please utilize this opportunity. And don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. Okay, it will be very much helpful to them. And to get more like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profiling. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month, and if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.